Alright, robot, here's the situation. I've got this hot tub, and it's got nice lights on the inside of it that aren't functioning at the moment. The hot light controller right here, it works, but the lights themselves don't work. And I've been told reliably that the cause of it is that part right there, which is the transformer. So the job of the moment is to replace that thing here with that one. So the sticky wicket in here is being able to retrace the lines back in here so that I connect it up right. But that's all part of what we call the journey of discovery in this place. Anyway, that's it. First thing I'm going to do is shut off the power, which I can do since I did that junction box the other day. Alright, robot, here's the scoop. This thing was easy to replace. It just screwed in. There are 4 screws in the corner. The problem I've had was, or got is, the electrical plugs don't match up with what I've got here. This plug plugs into the 220 down here where the orange is, and it's got a green, a white, and a black. And this here one that came from my new box has got a brown, blue, and green. On this thing here, there's a little wiring diagram though that says black goes with brown, white goes with blue, and green goes with yellow green. So I'm in business. All I have to do is make that connection, which I'm going to do right this minute. If I can find it. Oh, by the way, the other thing is, this is just kind of silly, but whoever built this thing originally was went bananas with the spray foam, sprayed the crap out of all this wiring. That's probably not the greatest thing ever to have happened, but that's what people do sometimes. I derive a revenue stream from people that are not effectively doing their jobs. Alright, this is a mass of garbage, but we'll see what happens. Let's see if it all goes inside the cabinet, which I hope it does. Alright, we're going to try to turn it on now and see what happens.